So if you watched my previous video, I know what you're probably thinking. And no, I did not die attempting to learn how to drop in on a vert ramp. In fact, that project turned out to be a little bit more difficult and intimidating than I had originally anticipated, so I'm still working on it. But the reason I wanted to do this video was really just to give a quick update on what I've been up to and what future plans I have for this channel. So for the last month and a half, after finishing up the school year at work back in June, I've really just been taking some well-needed time to rest, enjoy life, go traveling, and spending some quality time with friends and family. Now, like mentioned before, in the meantime, I have been working on learning how to drop in on a vert ramp on a skateboard. And I have actually been practicing and recording weekly in order to build up the confidence and skill necessary to do something like that. And at the risk of giving away a small spoiler, I've pretty much reached a point where I feel like I have the skill level necessary, but the confidence simply just isn't there yet. So with some time passing since my last upload and slowly realizing that it could take a while before I'm able to put out that video, I decided to take a step back and reflect a bit on my drive to keep creating content and just sort of the whole purpose of this channel and what direction I wanted to take. Now, I definitely still enjoy making videos and always having that excuse to pick up and learn a cool new skill. And then through that, being able to better share with you guys what I've learned about the process of being a beginner and learning something new. And in particular, the latter is really where my primary motivation to create content stems from. Again, my main and full-time profession is teaching, and that is truly where my passion and drive lies. This channel, when I originally began making videos, was really just always an extension of that. And with the experience I have from my studies and from teaching, I wanted to put myself in the shoes of my students. Just as when a student is for the first time presented with an equation and asked to solve it, he or she might at first feel intimidated or perhaps a bit discouraged. The same exact thing goes through the head of an adult when looking at something like a new instrument or a skateboard for that matter, and instead of seeing the possibility of learning and becoming better, mostly just sees limitation and roadblocks. It's too difficult, it'll take too much time, or I'm simply just not talented enough to do it. With me documenting the process of going from complete beginner to, well, maybe not mastery, but at least proficient or halfway decent at something, the intention is really just to showcase that even while it might not seem like it at first, in most cases, it definitely can be done. So that's where I'm at with the original purpose of this channel. And nothing too much has really changed in regards to that. Only thing is, however, that I've had to recognize that as the difficulty level of a skill or competence goes up, so does the time it takes to learn it. And with me obviously still teaching full time and working on some projects on the side as well, I've simply just had to give up on the idea of me being able to learn some crazy new skill, record, edit and upload a new video each and every week. So instead, what I want to do is that I really want to keep the theme of the channel, but take a significant portion of the pressure off of myself insofar that everything has to be done within a specific time frame. And one way I feel like that can be done, while still serving the original purpose and current direction of the channel, is to make more of these sort of talking head style videos where I dive into a specific subject. I mean, I've already learned some pretty cool things, and there's a bunch of topics related to learning, being a beginner, personal development and growth in general and so forth that I really want to talk about and share with you. And the great thing about those videos is that they can be scripted, shot and edited at a much higher frequency. Hopefully that will then take away some of the pressure, allowing me to still focus on learning new skills and continuing to get better at the ones I already know, but without time constrictions, and then just releasing those videos when they're ready. Moving on, however, I want to be completely transparent with you and let you know that I don't want to set a fixed schedule for future videos of any kind. I don't want to say, oh, you can expect a new video each Thursday and then just let you guys and myself down when I fail to deliver on that promise. Instead, I will promise that I'll try to upload as much as possible and really just whenever I have something to upload. But yeah, to round it off, that's pretty much what's been going on and what you can expect from the channel in the foreseeable future. If you're still here, I just want to say thank you very much for sticking around and still showing interest in the content I create. I truly do hope that it provides you with value in some way, shape or form. With that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.